In this video, we'll be discussing the Generate Text block and how to configure it in your automation workflow. The Generate Text block is an AI services block that outputs text based on instructions provided. Once the Generate Text block has been added to your workflow, you can make your configurations in the right side panel. For this example, we're going to use the Generate Text block to craft a blog post based on a topic provided by the user. A user input is being used to capture the topic, which we can then pass through the Generate Text block with a variable. Now let's configure the Generate Text block. First, we'll add our message in the prompt section. Let's say, generate a blog post based on the following, and then we can use double curly braces to add in our variable name. In this case, the variable name is topic. Then, in the response behavior, we can either have the output displayed to the user or save the output as a variable to be used in other sections of our workflow. For this example, we'll keep it as display to user. Last, we can configure the model settings. By default, the block will inherit your app's underlying model, but this block allows you to choose a different text model for processing your message, providing additional customization for your workflow. For this message, I'll select Claude 2. You can adjust the model settings as you would for the underlying model, but for this example, I'm fine using the default settings. And now we've configured our Generate Text block. Let's see how it looks to the consumer. First, we'll add in our blog topic. I'll ask the AI to write a blog about creating AI applications with MindStudio. Then just tap Next. And there's our generated blog post. Thanks for watching this video about using the Generate Text automation block. We'll see you next time.